ASN Ghana Properties invites you to experience Greenfields, an amazing green community township located just before the Valley View University. Greenfields is a modern gated estate community with superb infrastructure. There are currently 2-bedroom semi-detached houses and 3-bedroom detached houses, which both come with 24/7 electricity and flowing water, street lights, tarred roads, paved walking areas, a network of underground drains, green parks and lawns, 24/7 security, tarred access roads, shopping centre, swimming pool, kids playground, hospital, tennis court, and other amazing amenities. The 3-bedroom detached houses come with a 28 square metre ensuite master bedroom, 2 other bedrooms, 2 washrooms, kitchen, storeroom, dining area, large hall, and a spacious compound. Finishing for both properties include polished floor tiles in kitchen, bedroom and washroom, tiled walls, glazed windows with burglar-proof, external security doors, internal panel doors, long-span roofing, filled electrical fittings, acrylic painted walls, etc. ASN Properties also has apartment buildings at Medina, La Nkwantanang, and Pantang Junction. Locate the offices of ASN Properties at Medina Firestone, opposite Agreement Building, or call on telephone 0208 519 5588, 078 607 60547, 079 564 21643, or visit our website at www.asnghanaproperties.com. ASN Ghana Properties, built with you in mind.